Alrighty guys, welcome back. So, I recorded 2 episodes as I had the mic. Other programs that record the microphone at the front, my mic's plugged in at the back, so it was just so let's start with can't remember what I've done, haven't done now. Awesome Pogo. Nope. Awesome Pogo. It's XD. It's awesome. Neon. God plays the Pogo Man. Don't know why you choose anyone else to do this. Nobody else could do this. Come on, you just gotta up. Alley oop. Alley that oop. I'm going British now, and it's an oop, not a hoop. It's an oop. Alley up. Even though I think alley up is a French term, I don't know because we speak a little bit French for you. Sure guys, I'm gonna be French for you. Maybe I get more subscribers if I talk French. No? Je suis le subscribe. Je suis le Je suis. Je suis le gars. Which is French for I am a station. Handy, isn't it? Woo! That took me nearly a whole minute. I swear I was quicker than that. Alright, kill them all! Toby and Poopa. I don't want to kill Toby and PewDiePie. Okay. Let's go. Oh, this is the...
Ow! Ow! Ow!
Nah. Sorry, remember this is a really crappy level. That's why it's only gotten 2 stars. Because the guy keeps falling down. Ponds! Oh god, this is why I only got 1 star or something. I don't remember why. The amount of swords in this level is too damn high. No, that's not. So I've got like that many stars and it's crap. You're 11, you made a porn level. Well done, dude. Pogo on thin glass, girl. Pogo on thin glass. Let's see if I can do something. Took me ages to get right last time. So that time. Oh. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's come on, guy. Not girl. I did get it eventually. Looks like a rent. Nope. Nope. God dang it, Billy. Come on, no. Nope. Yes, yes, yes. No. Nearly had it, Billy boy. Yeah. Barely even touched it. So you, it's kind of the cheat way, but just don't let him pogo, or you'll regret it. Oh! Get for not doing as you're told. Glass, glass, glass. Ah. Wheelchair. Oh, dilly dally. Oh, but. Try that again, shall we? Oh, dude, I'm alive. I'm alive. I don't know why, but I'm alive. Something meant to happen. Who knows? I win. I think so. Good luck! Oh. Come on, Jab, we gotta do it. He said good luck. Ah!
Oh, God!
Come on, I was good at this.
Oh, God!
I'm not good in the sense of finishing it, but I was good.
Oh, God!
Look at my body go. Look at that. Dad, you have to keep me alive. I don't care. Ugh. Look, it's raining bits of him. That's adorable. Rain and sun. Hallelujah, it's rain and sun. Oh my God. I'm gonna go out, blow up on a landmine, and then try it again. It's rain and sun. Oh my God, I died again. Nee. I'm gonna leap in the air, gonna do that, and then hit R again. It's rain and sun. Hallelujah, it's rain and sun. Where's that spear gun? Ow. You can tell me the song before, can't you? It's rain and sun. Hallelujah, it's rain and sun. Oh no. I'm gonna go again.
Oh, God!
Dang it. It's raining me. And God, it's raining us. Oh God.
Oh, God!
Hey.
Ah!
That's how we do that. We're both alive. I was like, where's the bloke on him? I'm missing a leg and we overshot the landing. I'm back at the start again. There goes Santa. Where's he going? Probably back down to I'll stop it. It's rain and sun. Hallelujah, it's rain and sun. Everyone. I don't know the words to that song. Singing. I feel you. Oh God, his chair. Oh. Now comes the easy part. Oh no, they're still there. Dirt. No. Come on. Nope. Hey, you got a boost. Let's go. Oh, hell yeah. Don't need you, son. Jack the car. It's the first time I've actually tried that. I've always done like the back flip. Dang it. Am I dead? I'm dead. Definitely dead. You're probably getting sick of me doing this one, but I'm not. What? Oh, show ya. You know you're not gonna make it. Are you? No, you're gonna have the harpoons instead. No! Oh! I'm learning. Look, everyone, I'm learning. To miss the platform. God dang it. That gives me a boost. Ah, dang it. You getting sick of this one yet? Because I'm not. Woo! Dang it. No. One more. One more. Woo! Freaking yes! The crackers helped. Alrighty guys, I'm gonna pause it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye!